Hi, today news is a national emergency has been called in Israel as strong winds and high temperatures have fueled wildfires outside of Jerusalem. Fire crews have been battling the fires there with several people reported who've been suffering from burns and smoke inhalation. It's according to Israel Medical Emergency Services there. Let's speak to our Middle East correspondent. Now, Lane talk us through the situation there. So, from what we understand, there are still about 6 areas in the hills outside of Jerusalem where you got firefighters battling these flames. They are being helped by the Israeli army as well. There are several towns in that area that have been evacuated. About 3,000 acres of land have been burned. Now, when the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu was talking about, he said there had been a deadly combination of dryness and strong winds. You can see the wind is starting to pick up again. Now, in some cases, arson is suspected. Also, poor land management and inevitably, the Israeli media is really picking out this today, talking about the state's level of preparedness for such wildfires because this is said to have been the biggest that the country has experienced, and Israel has become more prone to wildfires of this kind in recent years, with experts warning that climate change is just going to make it even more prone that their fire hazard is increasing. Yolan, thank you for that. Well, he's through what's been happening. Yeah, so of course the wildfire itself may have been started by arsenal or other methods there said about the poor land management, but of course when a fire starts you look to the weather conditions to how severe, how far they may spread up now in Israel and Jerusalem. We've been seeing some strong winds recently. Gusts today are up to about 50-60 kilometers an hour, and they of course just fan these flames and they are coming in from a westerly direction, which means at the moment they are on the border of Israel and Jerusalem, and there is concern that with that westerly wind it will push the flames a little bit further eastward into Jerusalem itself. Now temperatures across Israeli and Jerusalem haven't actually been that high, around about average daily of about 22 to 25 degrees centigrade, but of course we are now going into the dry season in that region, so of course the vegetation is very dry already. So when you got these fires that starts, that when they can spread really quickly. Thank you.